Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run the library management system project using Visual Studio Code. So you have to open the folder that I gave you. So just click on open folder and then you have to go to the location where you have that folder, library management system, and then select that folder and then open it. So like this, it will be open. Then you have to open the terminal and then you have to install the modules that are present here, these two. Okay, so the command is this, so you can copy this command and then paste here and hit enter. So all these modules will be installed successfully. Then you have to go to this config.py file and here you have to enter your MySQL password. Just replace this 1234 with your password. Okay, then you have to configure the email. Here you have to mention the email address, okay, which you want to use in the application, and then you have to generate a password. So you can see this is not the password of my email. Okay, this is app specific password that we need to generate using the Gmail account. Okay, so I'll show you how you can generate it. So you have to go to Chrome, you have to basically open your account. Then you have to click on these Google apps, then go to account. Then you have to go to the security and sign in, and here you have to check whether this two-step verification is on for you or not. If it is not on, just click here and on it. If it is already on, then you have to search here app password and click on this, and then it might ask you for the password, so just enter the password and then you will be redirected to this screen. Here you can just enter some name like my app and click on create, and this will give you a password. So this is the password that you have to use in the applications. Okay, in the applications you cannot directly use the your own Gmail password. Okay, so this is the password that we have to use. So that's it, and then you can just directly run this main.py file. So on the terminal just type python main.py and hit enter, and this will open this window for you. And from here onwards you can watch my demo video to understand how this project works. So thank you for watching.